are international students interested in longer work visas. The UK post-study work visa stays an important attraction factor for incoming international students. A survey performed recently implies that international students would be more willing to consider studying in the UK if they were permitted to stay and work for 3 years instead of 2.
The UK
points-based
immigration system.
ending free movement.
But change is coming. Change is coming.
According to the survey, less than a fifth of students would be willing to stay for more than 3 years. At present, the graduate visa provides foreign students permission to stay in the UK for about 2 years after completing a course in the UK successfully. Students must be present in the UK when applying. University's UK International Director, Vivienne Stern, stated that vice-chancellors wanted the government to analyse whether the 2-year visa forms were an obstacle in hiring international graduates, and to make sure that the UK had a competitive post-study work offer. The former UK Home Secretary Theresa May had formally rescinded the 2-year visa to control immigration. However, the UK universities cautioned that eliminating the post-study work visa in 2012 had harmed the recruitment of international students. Since its restoration, institutions have said that they have been able to fulfill the target of recruiting 600,000 international students, a decade early. Aside from serving as an important revenue stream for universities, a recent survey assessed that international students aided the UK economy by £26 billion per year. According to the report, the government needs to review policy and limitations to help the further growth in the sector after the pandemic and position Britain as a welcoming location following the Brexit for international students, just like its key competitors. The changes would be especially tempting to Indian students, as 73% of participants said 3 years would make them a lot more likely to consider the UK. As per the report, the number of Indian students choosing to study in the UK dropped after the elimination of the 2-year post-study work visa in 2012 and increased as much as 4 times when it was reinstated. A spokesperson for the Home Office stated that post-study work offers were not directly comparable with other countries, and we think ours provide the right balance. She further added that those on the graduate pathway can stay in the UK and look for work at any skill level for a duration of 2 years, or 3 years for those with a PhD, and transfer to skilled work pathways if they find an appropriate job. Many countries offer international students post-study work visas to continue living and working in the country. For instance, Australia's temporary graduate visa, subclass 485, permits international graduates to work for up to 4 years, based on their course and level of study. New Zealand's post-study work visa would permit international graduates to work for any job for the period of 1 and 3 years, and do almost any work, based on their qualifications and where they have studied. Recently, the UK initiated the High Potential Individual (HPI) pathway, with the aim to attract high-skilled overseas talent who have graduated from some of the world's top universities. It permits graduates to come to the UK without any job offer. Candidates can apply for the HPI pathway if they have graduated from a qualified international university in the 5 years immediately before the application. We have reached the end of today's video update. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.